Okay, today I'm going to talk about where Einstein went wrong. Because Einstein said E equals mc squared, which means E equals m times c times c. E equals energy, m equals matter, and c squared equals light speed. So c times c would be light speed times light speed. What does this mean? Well, apparently it means energy can turn into matter, and matter can turn into energy. This equation is nonsense, and I will explain why according to double helix energy theory. Okay, so what do I say? Well, I say that energy and matter are separate and are not interchangeable based on an electromagnetic waveform that makes matter vibrate at a frequency visible to observation, be it visible or invisible light. And obviously I mean infrared, ultraviolet. They're not invisible because we can detect them, but you can't see them with your eye, but they are visible by vibrational observation. This is nothing new that I've just said. We all know that matter vibrates to give us colours. You know, the rainbow is vibrating at a frequency, which is electricity, electromagnetic. So what I have actually stated, other than energy and matter being completely separate, visible light is a wavelength frequency, which means it's electromagnetic. So I've written my equation here, which it's very, very simple, and that's the best thing about it, really, because I've explained how energy moves and everything else in previous videos. So let's have a look at what I've written. So after my explanation, I'll then explain why Einstein's is nonsense. So my equation is E equals L minus m, and E equals energy, which rotates in a double helix at light speed in two directions, and there's the drawing of it, a figure 8. Starts out as a tornado waveform that shoots up. It sends out two horns which spiral and cross each other and then go back up through the middle and repeat. They come back into another tornado at the bottom, and then come back up and repeat. So that is how energy travels. L equals light and m equals matter. So I've got it in the three equations that it will form into. So we have E equals L minus m. Energy is equal to light minus matter. Matter without light is energy. So light minus matter, you are left with energy. L equals m plus E. Light is equal to matter plus energy. When energy moves through matter, you get light. And m equals L minus E. Matter is equal to light minus energy, because light is energy moving through matter, so matter is light when you remove the energy, and you are left with the crushed matter. This equation is true. So E equals mc squared, if you understand and believe that energy and matter are separate, E equals mc squared is actually energy is equal to matter times energy times energy. Energy is not equal to anything. They're all completely separate. There's not a multiplication and division question. It's not, because that would make matter is equal to energy divided by c squared, which would make matter equal to energy divided by energy times energy, or c squared is equal to energy divided by matter, which is energy times energy equals energy divided by matter, which proves it's nonsense if you understand that energy and matter are separate. I mean, people can tell me that, hey, there's a nuclear bomb and that proves matter turned into energy. No, it didn't. It's doing exactly what I said. Energy is equal to light minus matter. Light is equal to matter plus energy. So in a nuclear explosion, light is equal to matter plus energy. Energy is added to nuclear weapons. They don't just mix something, they add energy, and this increases the nuclear fuel's electromagnetic field boundary. And it just so happens, let's say that plutonium has a 2-mile outer boundary radius, so all the energy in the waveform is expanded. And you didn't turn matter into energy. What you did was you blew matter, 1 ton of matter, over 400 square miles. Energy never got turned to matter. Energy destroys matter. Light is equal to matter plus energy, which is why a nuclear bomb gives off so much light. Because the matter had so much energy force through it, it immediately went to its white light limit. And with plutonium, it's, half a mile, however big the blast radius was. That's how big the energy waveform bubble increased to, is the size of the blast zone. So there you go. Einstein's nonsense is nonsense. Unless, of course, you believe energy can turn into matter and matter into energy, which is ridiculous, really. And I've proven it in 130 different videos. So, yeah. Energy is equal to light minus matter. Light is equal to matter plus energy. And matter is equal to light minus energy. Now, I know a lot of people won't believe this, don't want to believe it. It doesn't matter. This again comes down to Jesus' words of, let the man who has eyes see, and let the man who has ears listen and understand, and turn around in your thoughts and turn back to God and understand that there's something else coming. Thanks very much. My name is Lee and I'm a Christian.